The monument of Hazrat Imam Mousa Kazem's son, Imamzadeh Saleh alayhi salam, is located in the north of Tehran. The main building of this shrine is belonged to 7th and 8th centuries AH, which consists of a square building with 50 square meters area that its architecture is the same as the Ilkhanid period. This building was repaired in Qajar dynasty and some parts added to it. Tiling and the interior painting of Holy Shrine is the same as the Qajar method. Now, the new dome and minarets are being built in front of the previous ones, parallel to the master development plan. Cultural equipment such as library, bookstore, appropriate facilities, and parking are available in the shrine area. The Imamzade Saleh shrine area was a completely enclosed place like the other shrines in Iran before changing a street and rehabilitation of the area, but today it has extended out of the fence. The shrine and vast courtyard of the Imamzade Saleh alayhi salam is one of the largest and most magnificent shrines not only in Tehran but also in Iran and the other Shia areas of the world, which attract many enthusiasts from all corners of the country, Iraq, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Lebanon each year. I hope you one day go to Imamzade Saleh. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't hit the like and don't leave the comment and don't subscribe my YouTube channel. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video. Jazakallah khair.